everyone, it is Sylvia here from Sylvia's Marketing, and it is time, the time has come for my Commission Revival review. Now, don't you just love this name? I have always loved the word revival, like, back to life, back to life. So Commission Revival, your commissions will come back to life. Well, Commission Revival is going live today as I am making this video, shooting it up, finally. Well, better late than never. So July the 10th of July is the day. Today is the day. And, well, let's check it out, guys. As you can see, I have access to the members area. I am right inside the members area. I will be showing you and telling you all about this training program. Well, let me introduce you to the creator, the person behind this awesome product. And this is Shehu, my colleague from my super affiliate training course called Ministry of Freedom. He's an absolutely lovely chap, super friendly, and he's done such a quality job with this product. I'm really impressed. I've gone through this product. I've watched the videos. Really amazing. So in a nutshell, he shows you how he went from, well, not achieving any results whatsoever. Like, he tells you on the sales page actually his story, how he has been frustrated and desperate. He's been trying this and that. Nothing worked, and then he had this like aha moment. Well, he's discovered a method that has worked for him, is still working for him, and he's making a steady income. He's relatively new, I believe, to that, so he's showing you like not like thousands that he has made, but hundreds. But that's just a start for him. And his sales are picking up by the day, basically. So in a nutshell, guys, I know I'm kind of getting carried away, because I'm very happy whenever one of my colleagues from my super affiliate training course is launching a product, because I know those guys. I know they're like very friendly, top marketers, and they really put their hearts and souls into those products. So yes, it is a training course, a video tutorial, like one video after another one, showing you step by step what you need to do to basically promote other people's products on the two platforms. And then you would be making videos about those products and putting your affiliate links, and it's very easy to get those links sorted, and Shehu will show you all about that, how you need to do that. And you would be promoting on YouTube those products, okay? And if people buy from you, from the bonus pages, you would be creating, like I have created my bonus page, so exactly the same way I am using that Shehu has demonstrated in his training, and I'm also loving it. It's amazing. I mean, guys, first you have to obviously invest time into it, learn the method, then be consistent, and once the sales start picking, it's just like, it's a never-ending story. You will be, this is a method to create a passive income for you. And then, like, later on down the line, you will be seeing like sales from review videos that you created months ago. Like, literally, it is literally like that. So, let's check it out. Let's check it out properly, guys. But before I show you everything, the product and the sales page, I just want you to check out my bonus page, because if you buy from my the link that is below my video, it will take you to this bonus page. And guys, if you buy from me, I am giving you 4 amazing bonuses on top of just the front end. And as you can see, the front end is going live, not live, it's going at live as well, but it's going at just under $7, so $6.97, which is ridiculously cheap, but hey, the price will be going up, so guys, hurry up, because this is a quality training. It's just the launch price. So the launch is, I believe it's gonna go run for like 5 days, something like that, starting from today. Okay guys, so then if you like, once you get to my bonus page, which is below my video, the link to this bonus page, just smash one of these yellow buttons, and this way you buy the product. I mean, well, yeah, you buy the product, but you will be redirected to the sales page, and then you just click this, and then that's the way you make the purchase, basically. So let me show you the bonuses. So number 1 is access to Fuego Breakout. This is basically a training course that has been done by my mentor John Armstrong, so the creator of Ministry of Freedom. Me and Shehu are members of, and it is phenomenal. It is like well, it gives you access to, it shows you how to access a phenomenal source of traffic, another source of free traffic from Instagram. So you'll be like contacting like popular Instagram influencers and all of that. And you know, I will not reveal everything to you, but you will be accessing Instagram traffic. And then number 2 is another amazing training course called El Bandito, which will show you how to make, like, how that top marketer made a lot of money. Like, he went from 0 to hundreds, if not thousands, in quite a relatively short period of time. So another premium bonus, super training course. Then number 3 is Bing Ad Mastery Training. So Bing Ads will be, this is a training, not a training course, it's like a video, but again by my mentor John Armstrong, showing you how to go about Bing Ads. So in a nutshell, Bing Ads are a little bit like Google Ads, but they're not as expensive. Well, quality-wise, they're just the same, but they're much cheaper. So why not make use of those? And then we have another bonus tutorial, how to build a WordPress site. So one would think it's a rocket science to build a website. However, this is not the case at all. And in this YouTube video, my mentor again, John Armstrong, will be showing you step by step how to build a WordPress site. All right. And then the last one is a special one, as it gives you access to all vendor bonuses. So the bonuses Shehu has thrown on top of just the front end that is going at $7 at the moment. And he has given you some amazing bonuses. Let's check them out right now. They are right on the sales page, guys. So here's the bonuses, like premium bonuses. So the loss code, and then the Fuego multiplier, and the secret weapon. All of these courses will really educate you on traffic, and you know, guys, traffic is money. So how to access traffic, and basically how to make money online. So the more skills you have, the more knowledge you have, well, the better for you, right? Because knowledge is everything, and then making use of that knowledge is what makes you money. Alright guys, so again, my bonus page below my video, you just smash one of these yellow buttons, and that takes you to the sales page, where you make the purchase. So once again, here we are. You just click here to join, and after that you'll be sent an email with the receipt that will redirect you to a platform called Warrior Plus. So just to make it clear for you, the blue one will be my bonuses, and the green one will be Commission Revival. Yeah, so the Commission Revival and extra vendor bonuses. Now, very quickly, alright, just super quick, let's just check out the sales page. Well, normally I don't spend much time on the sales page, because it's kind of like usual stuff. But this one is not like a typical sales page, I must say, and I have to say that I absolutely love it. Like it, I can tell it has been created, like it has come straight from the heart. You know, it's like you know, kind of like not much, but he has like put his own story on it, which is super like motivational and inspirational to me. But anyhow, like what do these headlines say? So are you tired and getting frustrated online? Discover the untapped industry that's paying me 100 to 160 daily with 30 minutes of simple work as a non-English speaking origin. Yeah, Shehu is not, originally from Nigeria, and that's lovely. And I think it's going to be very encouraging for other non-English speakers, including myself. Like, English is not my first language either. So there you go, you know, like, it's all about being consistent, determined, and just believing in yourself, basically. So here we have like a lovely video by Shehu where he basically is showing you his the financial proofs, well, his income basically from this platform called Warrior Plus. So it's all, you know, very real. And here we have some amazing testimonials. Here is from my lovely colleague Kalim. Please guys, check out his YouTube channel. It's called Kalim's Marketing. He fires up some passionate reviews. Okay, he's an amazing reviewer. His channel is absolutely lovely, and he has given his testimonial on commission revival right here. So check it out, guys, and make sure you check out his channel, Kalim's Marketing. And here's some testimonials from my colleagues from Ministry, other colleagues from Ministry of Freedom as well. Okay, so we have the financial proofs here, which is absolutely phenomenal. And there we have the guy behind Commission Revival, Shehu. Check this out, it is lovely. He just tells you his story, how he's gone through like the state of desperation, like he was in dire straits kind of, and then, you know, you hit the rock bottom and the only way is up. I mean, some stay down there and actually never go up. I mean, like, it's really down to you if you have the strength and the mindset to go up. And he's made it. I am very happy for him and very proud of him. Lovely. I always I love it when people achieve that success, but that also, like, you know, it takes a lot of self-work and a lot of, like, you know, developing the right kind of mindset to go into that you know, path on pursuing your goals and dreams and ambitions. And, you know, we must do that, otherwise, you know, what's the point of living a life of misery? Anyhow, he gives you 30 days money back guarantee. So all good. It's not too lengthy, guys. I love it. Too lengthy. It's not lengthy at all. The sales page is absolutely lovely, in my opinion. Okay, so from my bonus page, like, which is below my video, go to this. You will go to the sales page and you just smash this yellow thingy here button, and then you buy the product, basically. And now let me show you this training course. So here's the members area now. Guys, you get the support here. There's two sources of support. Number one, you can go through this, get support, and email Shehu. But you can also join his Facebook, where you can reach out to him as well should you need any help. And he is super helpful. Such a lovely, genuine guy. It's unbelievable. And then you can here register for a free training. A workshop here is like a long webinar, so it's going to show you how to access this amazing course, which is like another level. So check it out, guys. You know, get yourself some green juice, some celery sticks and carrots, chill out, you know, have it, like, watch this instead of Netflix and combine with some healthy snacks. Right, and then here you can join Shehu's YouTube channel. It is absolutely amazing. He put a lot of, like, tutorials as well, and you know, tricks and tips on how to make money online. So here we have the overview and a mindset video. And then we have these videos here, and they have been done absolutely pro. I love them. I've been through them. I watched them, so I can like really testify. It is quality training. So here we have mindset and course overview, and then my results with the system. So what you call it? Well, like a case study, right? And then finding products to promote. So he shows you the platforms, so the Munch Eye, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo, where you find the products which you would be promoting and making videos about them, and then putting and then he will show you how to make bonus pages. But that's in a minute. And then we have, okay, getting organized is about about the Google Calendar, because it's absolutely critical to be organized. And then bonus page creation, so creating bonus pages where you basically put in your affiliate link on those bonus pages, and then if people buy through your bonus pages, like I have put my bonus page below my video, right, then you're getting the commission, and the commissions are anything from 50% on digital products up to 100%. So it's a no-brainer. You want to be promoting those products. Okay, in this video here, he will give you code to Commission Gorilla, where you can. It's not an expensive. This Commission Gorilla, where it's like a page builder, like a bonus page builder. It's not expensive, but he also gives you 50% off code, so which is amazing. And guys, and you will even get an import code for easy bonus page creation. I mean, wow, he's made it so easy for you here. And then he will show you how to create those videos. So he gives you a link here to download OBS, so it's a screen recorder, and download OpenShot here, which is for editing, and it's all very easy. And then he will show you here how to upload the videos to YouTube and go to Canva from here. Canva is where you can make like super cool thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Alright guys, and then down below you will have all of the bonuses which you can access from the members area, and you can access right from the members area the upgrades. There are 2 upgrades, guys. So the front end is just under $7, and upsell number 1 will $27, like Commission Revival advanced training. So this is basically he will give you some tips on how to rank high, plus he will educate you. Well, he will teach you on paid traffic methods as well. And the upsell number 2 for $97, there you can sell Commission Revival as your own product and keep 100% commissions throughout the whole funnel, which is absolutely phenomenal. And he's done all of the hard work for you, and you can sell it as your own product. Alright guys, again, sorry, I think I have got carried away. I've made this video very long. My videos are normally like 10, 11, 12 minutes, but this one, you know, hey, I'm very passionate about promoting it, so I did get carried away. As per usual, whenever my colleagues that I know launch amazing products. So, again, my bonuses are yours, guys, if you pick it up via the link that I have attached down below my video. Alright, with that said, have a gorgeous day, and I shall see you in my next video. And also, if you could like, subscribe to my Looney Toony channel. And, well, any questions you have, just ask away down below in the comment section. Alright, ciao, have a gorgeous day, and see you in my next video.